they tight tracks. Gotta get going, I pick it up. They wanna see real bars like a prisoner, but never get too far with the listener. The finishers back with the ace and jack, and I'm a king to the queen, the aristocrat is in the heart of the slain, that the spade is black, and I'm ashamed that I go to the clubs and pack for the diamond in the rough. This is why I track, so let's face it, it's all basic. Try to go outside the lines, it's called tracing. Trying to realize at times it's called greatness. Saying that a pop is crime, it's called racist. Wait, slow it down. You buy all my tickets, I'm showing up and turning shit out like I got a grudge. I'm to my town that I am who I said I was, and that's facts, it's bullshit. We not into all this so shit. We shun all the bad mediocre rappers who suck, we expose them. Hey, you looking for change on the sofa, grinding like food, just twisting your bitch like it's yoga. Now me and Cam on the toe, but thought that I told you.
I'm on to that true shit that I'm real with. We head to the building, so come take a field trip. I'm on to that true shit that I'm real with. We head to the building, so come take a field trip.
I ain't shit like that, never pretend like that. 10 out of 10 like that, you never contend like that. I am the shit like that, never pretend like that. 10 out of 10 like that, you never contend like that.
Look, I told him my time is limited. I went from rocking a course to a switch. So now I'm just playing. See, I do not care about the things that I wear, but the shit on my wrist. I just been chilling and doing my thing, and I'm taking my shot. No, I never do miss. I do this shit for the people that's living depression. It's something that you couldn't fix. Look, tired of waiting, need to move it faster. Got plans on deck. I was born a master, moving past the shit, boy, I'm everlasting. I don't really got trust for the people now. You used to laugh and now wanna see me spazzing. Back then I was down, now I'm up in passion. 3 things that I trace: money, love, and cash. And no fakes all day, gotta keep it laughing. Oh shit, give me the mic and I'm wrecking it. Been trying to say I'm a new type of specimen. Moved in the game, now this shit is my residence. Been on the street, now I'm using my specialist then. And no, I can fail. I throw that penny, then wish on my will. Word to my teachers, I'm gonna prevail. They know that I'm on, and soon I'ma sail. I'm feeling good, ain't no need to go back. Step on the scene and I'm dripping in black. I hit it once and there's nothing attached. Mama told me that I'm moving too fast. I hop on the beat for the capital C. She stay on the tip like a capital T. I'm paving the way for these rappers to leave, and I promise that you don't mean nothing to me. Can
I'm on to that true shit that I'm real with. We head to the building, so come take a field trip. I'm on to that true shit that I'm real with. We head to the building, so come take a field trip.
I ain't shit like that, never pretend like that. 10 out of 10 like that, you never contend like that. I ain't the shit like that, never pretend like that. 10 out of 10 like that, you never contend like that.
day jobs are cleaning someone else's mess. So